What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. All right, so today's exercise of the week is a Russian twist. So whenever people do these, they're all about the core, right? So getting your obliques, getting that twisting motion, which is great. So the proper way to do this is you want to sit upright and then lean back just a little bit. All right, lean back, and then you want to twist your shoulders. All right, twist your shoulders back and forth so you're actually moving from your spine. One of the things that I see people do wrong is they sit upright and then twist. Like if that's where you're at, then okay, that's great. Work your way into leaning back, right? The further you can lean back and twist, it's all about the torque that you put on your core, right? So lean back just a little bit more. All right, and then twist. Okay, so another thing is whenever people are holding weight, they pick too heavy a weight, so then they're not actually moving from their core, but picking it up with their arms. All right, so here's what I mean. Okay, so heavy weight, right? So you don't see my shoulders twisting. What you want to do is bring that weight close to you and twist from your shoulders. All right. If you don't have a heavy weight, guess what? You can still do this by extending your arms. All right. Extend your arms because then you're using leverage to your advantage. Right. So if you don't have a weight, lean back, extend your arms, and then focus on that range of motion with your shoulders. So that's how you do a Russian twist. If y'all have any questions about this exercise, please drop them in the comments. And then if you have an exercise that you want me to coach you up on, break down, comment them down below and I'll add it to the list. Other than that, have a wonderful Tuesday. Go win.